Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. To a primetime news follow-up, the National Works Agency says repairs will have to be made on the Salt Creek Bridge in Hanover. Residents recently expressed concerns about the deteriorating structure. NWA officials toured the bridge on Tuesday. Kimberly Petty has our story.
Residents and stakeholders in Hanover are breathing a sigh of relief following news that the Salt Creek Bridge, which has been in a state of disrepair, will be fixed soon. Just last month, tour operator Trevor Forbes sounded an alarm after noticing cracks on the bridge while carrying tourists along the river. At the time, the NWA insisted that the bridge was structurally safe. Community Relations Officer for the NWA, Janelle Rickicks, was a part of Tuesday's tour.
So we visited today with our technical team, which included our senior bridge engineer as well as other members of the engineering department. What we noticed was that the bridge is structurally sound. However, there is erosion along sections of the piers to the bridge, and these will have to be repaired.
Ms. Ricketts made this assurance.
The bridge will be treated with a matter of urgency. As I said, the bridge is structurally safe, so motorists really have no fear in using this particular bridge. It's structurally sound, just some surface damage, and this we'll treat with as soon as we are able to. So we'll start in terms of the estimates, and then from there we'll need to go to procurement, following which we'll be able to start with the fixing of the bridge.
The bridge connects Hanover to Negril. Mr. Forbes travels along the creek daily and expressed fears the bridge would collapse.
Very happy to see quickly them expire and come down and check it out with the engineer. We have to see cover up, some repair cover up. You have to see that when you're going on, and when you go underneath, you see a clean bridge going under. You don't think you're going to be collapsed when you go underneath.
Meanwhile, the NWA says procurement has to be done before repairs can begin. While acknowledging the importance of the process, stakeholders are hoping there won't be any delays.
We are heartened by the fact that they are treating this with such urgency, and I must commend NWA for that they acted so swiftly in looking at it, and so we hope that the entire process will move along as quickly as this part did, and if that happens, we'll be good to go.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
No.